Welcome to ECTV Tries, where this week students try their hand at a blind dating show. One man must sit behind a curtain and ask our lovely lady contestants questions. Each round he will vote off one woman of his choosing until one remains. The winner receives an all-expenses-paid trip to the Jay's Nest for a date. Good luck, ladies. Let's begin.
My name is Cole Hammond. I am a junior business administration major concentrated in marketing. This is a speed dating show. Let's do it. I got some questions. Question 1. How often do you shower?
I would say that I shower every day.
I also shower every day.
I shower every day as well, but I don't wash my hair every day. I have a schedule for my hair wash days.
I also shower every day and schedule my hair wash days. Sometimes I shower twice a day the days that I go to the gym.
Nice. What is the coolest or most memorable place you've ever traveled to?
I would have to say Yosemite National Park in California.
I would have to say Cape Town, South Africa. That was really cool. I saw a lot of cool animals.
I forget what the places are called, but I was on a cruise when I was younger, and all like the islands in like the Caribbean, I have bracelets from each one. So I would say all of those, but I forget what they're all called.
Before freshman year of college, I went to Montego Bay, Jamaica for a week, which was really cool.
Dude, that's hard. I guess number 3. I'm not really a cruise guy, so yeah, that's my reasoning. All right, next question. What is your favorite TV show?
Oh my gosh. I would say that right now it's Modern Family.
My favorite TV show is New Girl.
My favorite TV show right now is Yellow Jackets.
What is your favorite fast food restaurant?
I would have to say Wawa. I don't know if that counts, but I love Wawa.
I would have to say Freddy's. Their steak burgers and their fries are so good.
I would have to go for a classic Taco Bell.
Probably number 4. I'm not a big Mexican food guy. Yeah. Hi, sorry. Yeah, I'm not a big Mexican food guy.
Real?
And I don't know what Yellow Jackets is, I gotta be honest.
Fair.
Yeah, sorry about that. This is brutal, dude. Jesus Christ. All right, what is your biggest, here we go. What's your biggest pet peeve in relationships?
I would have to say someone who's like a pick-me and does like the, you wouldn't understand. I'm just so emo and I have mommy issues. Like that kind of stuff. Just talk about your emotions. It's okay. We can have a conversation, you know?
I'd say if someone doesn't communicate well, like if something's on your mind, just tell me and don't like kind of beat around the bush.
Next question. What is a beige flag? What is your beige flag?
I really enjoy musical theater. That's definitely my beige flag.
A beige flag of mine is that I really like music. Like I love listening to music and like classic rock and all that. I don't know.
What is the best location for a first date?
I would have to say like walking around like a downtown area, maybe grabbing coffee and grabbing ice cream, seeing like the local culture.
I would have to say the beach. I'm not a big coffee girl, but I love the beach. So a nice maybe sandwich and just play in the water and stuff.
Number 2, I drink a lot of coffee, so sorry about that. Sorry, I drink a lot of coffee. Sorry about that. That's gonna fall, yeah, for sure.
Hey!
How are you?
I'm so good. How are you?
Good. What's your name?
I'm Aileigh.
Aileigh, I'm Cole.
Nice to meet you, Cole.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. What's your favorite kind of coffee?
I like a cappuccino.
Okay.
Yeah, but
okay.
I drink a lot of iced coffee.
Oh my gosh, me too.
Yeah.
But like I love hot coffee.
Yeah, I do
like
too.
A winter day, got a
Yeah.
little.
Yeah.
Honestly, I love that vibe. So what is your favorite fast food restaurant?
Favorite fast food restaurant? I'm a big Chick-fil-A guy. I love Chick-fil-A.
The Chick-fil-A milkshakes?
Yeah,
Girl.
they're pretty good.
Girl.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's crazy. Wait, wait, name the color on 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Blue.
Guys!
Yeah.
Guys, wow.
Yeah.
Okay, name an animal on 3. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Dog.
Dog? Wait! Wait! Wow. Oh my
Jay's
god!
nice.
Yes!
Thank you
you
for
for
watching
watching
ECTV
ECTV
Blind
Blind
Date.
Date. And we ate that. Wow, that was so
Sick.
special.